Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can create a OnlyFans account on PC. OnlyFans is an internet content subscription service based in London that allows content creators to receive funding directly from the fans on a monthly basis as well as one-time tips and the pay-per-view feature. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC, then go in new tab and searching for a www.onlyfans.com and press enter, where you will be directly led toward the official web page of OnlyFans. Here at the official web page of OnlyFans, you can see the login form page. As we are going to create a OnlyFans account, you need to click on sign up for OnlyFans. Now here, to create your account on OnlyFans, you need to provide the following details. Here you also can get registered to the OnlyFans account with your Twitter, with your Google and also with Windows Hello login in just few steps. All the required details to register account on OnlyFans are fetched from these accounts. As I am going to create my OnlyFans account with my email address, so you need to go in for providing your name first. Then you go in for providing your email address. Then go in for providing a password. Here, after you provide all the details, you simply click on sign up. And with that, you have created yourself the OnlyFans account. Here, you also need to verify your email address. For that, you need to go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the OnlyFans. Go to the new tab and you searching for a www.gmail.com. Then get logged in into your account. As you can see, there is a mail from OnlyFans on very top. You click and open the mail. Now here, you need to click on the link provided by the OnlyFans. And with that, your email address will be successfully registered. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get sign up for a OnlyFans account. Thank you.